20 reasons why I'm better than Cookie Monster. 1, I'm as thin as hell. 2, he belongs on the show Big and Sexy. He's not sexy, I am. 2, he's not allowed to play any I'm level 3! I'm level 3! He's not even allowed to play Need for Speed. Mile Violence. Wow. New game with Mile Violence. I shouldn't even be playing that. I should just be playing I'm level 3! Second reason, well, you used to eat all these cookies, damn cookies, and now he's eating Veggies. On Sesame Cul-de-sac, I think it is. But I don't know, his show is totally, I don't know, Elmo is better, because he's thin and stuff. I'm gonna eat all this stuff. And I'm drinking Guinness. Oh ho ho, this is good Guinness! Well, actually, it's not very good. I just like what it does to me. Woo! Third, I'm just freaking amazing. And he's on the diet. I'm sexy, I'm freaking amazing. Well, that's all. Bye.